Even in the age of high technology, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and internet revolution, one home industry that is moving alongside with beads making is the making of beautiful bracelets and earrings from copper wire. This is often referred to as wire jewelry. This home industry, which simply appears easy, requires some skills and simple equipment. Most of the time, wire jewelry and beads making go hand in hand, as beads and wire can come together to form a masterpiece of jewelry. This is one home industry that technology may not be able to push away. This is because handmade jewelry with copper wire can be so appealing and fascinating. It has boosted and added more value to the fashion industry for a very long time. The trend of design keep evolving with time, age, and accessories. Every woman, irrespective of social status, can relate to this style of wire jewelry. Wire jewelry making has provided means of livelihood and income for many people. Learning and designing wires and beads into beautiful masterpieces such as this requires some time and patience. It also requires some wealth of creativity. The tools needed to do this work are 20 gauge wires, round nose pliers, flat nose pliers, jewelry wires, charms and beads, and kneading needles. Beautiful bracelets and jewelries made from copper wire such as this can easily meet international standard just from their appearance, elegance, and beauty. This means that it can be sold in any part of the world. You can produce them and place them in an online shop. You can also use social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, etc. to promote your wire jewelry product. Wire jewelries have high demand and constant market, especially if they are made beautifully. Observations have shown that they are very durable and, most importantly, very fitting. One thing very satisfying about wire work is that it is exciting and fun to notice that you can transform just piece of materials into a masterpiece with just your fingers and pieces of equipment. In that way, your creativity and potentials are shown to the world, and that can translate into money in your pocket. Jobless young girls and even boys can go into wireworks full-time instead of looking for paid employment that are no longer available. The business of wirework has capacity for expansion, depending on how fast you can change your style and fashion to suit the people's desire. It is expected that at different seasons, you should produce different styles in order to keep the fashion burning. Producing one kind of style or fashion for a very long time has the capacity to bring the market down. This is because the trend shows that people get used to a particular style of wirework and will therefore desire a different style as time changes. Styling wirework into a beautiful bracelet demands time and patience, but be sure to have the passion before you go into the business. Passion is a template that can push you forward when involved in wirework. Making wireworks can both be fun and extremely rewarding when people admire your finished piece. Just like I said earlier, wire jewelry and beads go hand in hand. The mere simplicity of beads wrapped in wires is what makes wire piece so beautiful. It also allows you the freedom to get creative with twists, styles, and wraps. When learning wire jewelry, you have to learn how to make pretty wire rings, how to wrap pendants, and as you go on, you also develop insight on how to make your own unique handcraft. Once you show off all of your new jewelry design, your friends will be begging you to make them some original piece as well.